Make yourself comfortable. You can lay down on the floor or sit on a comfy chair. Place your hands by your sides or rest them gently on your lap. We are now going to settle our breathing. Take a slow breath in through your nose and then blow out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Each time you breathe in through your nose. And each time you breathe out, imagine you are blowing through a tiny, colourful straw. Take another deep, slow breath in and slowly blow that air again through that colourful straw. Remember to keep this steady breathing up throughout our story. It's time to close your eyes. Today is a great day. Today is the day we take a trip to the beach. The sun is warm and the skies are bright blue with the finest, wispiest clouds you have ever seen. As you look up, you see trails of white stripes and the distant hum of a plane as it moves slowly and steadily across the beautiful sky. You wonder where the plane might be heading. Is it coming home? Are lots of people sitting up there enjoying the view as they make their way to another place, another adventure? You put on your hat to shield your eyes from the rays of the sun and make your way down the creaking wooden steps that lead to the blanket of soft sand. Each step brings more excitement as you know what is waiting on the other side. Long blades of grass peep from the cracks of each wooden step, pushing their way towards the light and swaying gently as your feet brush against them. As you reach the final step, you take a deep breath in once more, inhaling the clear, fresh air that is blowing gently across the sand towards you. You carefully step onto the sand. The sand is fine and golden. The warmth of the sand feels comforting and it covers the top of your foot like a fluffy slipper. You make your way towards the shoreline and find a quiet place to sit down. As you feel your body sink into the soft bed of sand, you scrunch your toes and feel as the sand runs from your feet. You grab handfuls of sand and feel it fall between your fingers. It feels so soft. You look up to the blue skies and overhead you can see birds flying, dancing across the blue skies and calling to one another. Everything around you feels peaceful and calm. The water is lapping at the shoreline and makes a gentle whooshing sound as it moves forwards and back again and again. As the tides come close, you breathe in. And as it washes away, you breathe out. You feel so relaxed and your body sinks further into this sandy bed. You long to feel the cool water against your skin, so you walk towards the shore. The water is clear, and you move further until the warm water is covering your ankles. You can see ripples in the sand underneath your feet. Standing perfectly still, you see a shell. You reach down and pick it up. It is smooth and covered in swirling patterns of colour. You hold the shell to your ear, and sure enough, you can hear the whisher, whisher, whooshing sounds of the sea coming from within. You make your way back to the beach and lie down on the sand, your body sinking back into the shape you had made before. You hold the shell to your ear one more time and hear the calming sound of the sea. You remind yourself of how happy and relaxed this place has made you feel. And if you ever need to feel this way, to feel relaxed and calm and happy, you know you can simply hold that precious shell to your ear once more, and you will return once again to that special place on the beach with the sand and the blue skies and the warm, clear water of the sea.